How to add reminders to iPhone lock screen and home screen. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Reminders application on your phone. Once you're here, go to All as shown. You can view all your reminders over here. Now, go back to your home screen and long press on any empty area until the icons start to wiggle and a minus sign appears on each app icon. Go to the top left corner and tap on Edit. Then, tap on Add Widget. Here, scroll down and select Reminders. Swipe to view and choose the widget layout that you want and then tap on Add Widget. After that, tap on Done above. You have now successfully added the Reminders widget to the home screen. Now, go back and swipe down on your screen to open the lock screen. Long press on any part of the screen and tap on Customize below. Tap on any widget from here and then scroll down to select Reminders. From here, tap or drag the list to add it as a widget. Then, tap on Done. Following these steps, you can easily add reminders to iPhone lock screen and home screen.